Everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to withdraw cash from EBT card. Withdrawing cash from an EBT, that is electronic benefit transfer card, depends on whether your benefits include cash assistance and the specific rules in your state. But here's the general guide. EBT cards are used to access, like I said earlier, government benefits, primarily SNAP, that is Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program for food purchases. But some EBT cards also hold cash assistance benefits, often called TNF, that is, Temporary Assistance for Needy Families. It is crucial to understand that SNAP benefits are strictly for food purchases and cannot be withdrawn as cash. Cash assistance benefits, if you receive them, can be withdrawn. So the method for withdrawing cash, if applicable, is 1. At the ATM, find an ATM that displays the Quest R logo or other network logos compatible with your EBT card. Insert or swipe your EBT card, enter your PIN, select withdraw cash, then check in or similar options, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, take your cash, card and receipt. Be aware that some ATMs may charge a fee. Now, if you want to get the cash at participating retail stores, you can make a purchase or a separate transaction by asking the cashier if they offer cash withdrawals from EBT. If available, swipe your EBT card and enter your PIN. Inform the cashier the amount you wish to withdraw, receive your cash and receipt. It's as simple as that. Now, note that only cash assistance benefits can be withdrawn. Eligibility for cash assistance varies by state, and EBT rules and procedures can differ significantly between states. So contact your local social service agency or check your state's official website for specific information. Do not forget to protect your EBT card and PIN. Only use ATMs in safe, well-lit locations. Keep your receipts to track your balance. If you have any questions about your EBT card or how to withdraw cash, contact your state's EBT customer service. I hope this information is helpful.